The number of cases of whooping cough are rapidly on the rise in Pierce County. The health department is sounding the alarm because it can be very serious for babies and kids. Megan Hutton has the information you need to know to protect yourself.
Baby Caroline was just 4 weeks old when she was hospitalized for whooping cough.
They turn blue. They have these fits of coughing after coughing after coughing.
Her mom, Heidi Brooke, didn't know she had whooping cough and that her vaccine had worn off. Whooping cough, also called pertussis, can easily pass from adults to kids.
It's scary to think that it's not getting better, it's getting worse. And that only solidifies the fact that parents and adults need to get up to date on their booster shots, just to keep everyone protected and to create a cocoon around the young ones who can't get their vaccinations yet because they're too young.
The Tacoma-Pierce County Health Department is joining with the State Department of Health to warn people about a serious outbreak of whooping cough. In less than 3 months, there are already 90 reported cases in Pierce County, compared to 128 total cases all of last year. It's already an epidemic statewide with 640 cases reported. Nigel Turner oversees the Communicable Disease Division and says it's important for adults and older children to get a booster shot.
There's a new vaccine out called Tdap that's available for 11 years and older, and sometimes younger as well for those in high-risk situations that adults should be aware of and talk to their provider about, particularly if they're around young kids.
The health department is supplying the whooping cough vaccine to doctors' offices, pharmacies, and mobile clinics offered through Multicare and Franciscan. Whooping cough can spread as easily as a cold, through coughing, hands, and surfaces. So wash your hands often and get vaccinated for the best protection. Visit the health department's website for a list of vaccine locations and a coupon for the shot. Megan Hutton, Pierce County News.